that? Okay, I know you see that. What is that? Hey girl, hey, welcome back to another video. So I am back with another video and it's a Sunday. I know it might be a little bit weird, but you guys absolutely loved the last video that I uploaded where I showed you guys what's inside my makeup underneath a microscope, and you guys went crazy and you guys were like, Pita, come on, show us what's in fake makeup. Also, you guys really wanted me to do the idea that I told you guys. I wanted to remove half of my makeup with expensive high-end products and then half of my makeup I wanted to remove it with more affordable products. But what I forgot to ask you is what products you guys want me to use. So please let me know what high-end products you guys want me to buy to remove on half of my face and which affordable products you guys want me to test out for the other half of my face. So without any further ado, today I'm going to show you what's inside some fake makeup and also some makeup that I've been having just laying around. I know I am not the only one that has old makeup that is probably already expired just laying around, because I seriously need to do some deep cleaning in my makeup drawers, but I procrastinate too much and I haven't. So I want to see what makeup looks like when it's old and when, you know, it's just nasty. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. My microscope right here, and if you see me looking down, again, I want to make a little disclaimer. It's because I am going to be looking at my laptop. That's where I'm connecting my microscope and that's where it works. So I'm going to be looking a little bit down, and also if you hear my voice, you know, I sound a little sick. I feel like I'm getting sick, but I also feel like I'm over it. It's kind of weird. But anyways, the first things that I'm going to show you guys are these Kylie palettes, the Nice and the Naughty. Now these are not authentic palettes. These are fake palettes. I purchased these because I did a video with these and they were super inexpensive. I think they were like $3, but they did take a really long time to get here. But I'm just very curious what's inside these palettes, what do the shadows look like, and I also want to break some shadows to see what's inside of it, because I feel like when you open it up and I put the microscope, like, we're really not going to be able to see as much, but I want to see what's in the formula, what's inside of it, like when we actually break it down. So we're going to go ahead and get started. This is the Nice palette. So let's start off with this brown shade, which is Wonderland. This one doesn't seem like it has much going on. Now let's check this like pink one. See, I always wonder, what is this? Someone please let me know what these little like spots that the eyeshadows have are. Is that from like the formula, different colors that they put to create a shadow? I always wonder. Please let me know in the comments down below. This is Blizzard. Oh, this kind of just looks like a regular foiled shadow. I mean, I remember this shadow in particular was really, really nice, very well pigmented. Ginger Snap. You see there's, again, those like little orange spots. I'm guessing, I'm like 100% sure it's probably like when you mix certain like formulas to create a shadow color. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Now let's go to Holly. See, Holly has way much more of those spots in the shadow. Okay, now this is like another forward shadow. Then there's Jack Frost. Well, that's cute. It has nothing in there. And last one, Santa Baby. You see? That one has a lot of spots as well. Okay, now this was Nice. We're gonna move on to Naughty. So Naughty has these shades right here. And we're gonna start off, well, did I just dig my nail in Tipsy? Oops, guess I did. Okay, now let's start off with Snowball. Ooh, what is that? Oh, wait, did you guys notice that those shadows from the Nice palette didn't have this pattern that these shadows have? I'm guessing it's when they compress the shadow down. This is probably the pattern that the little machine has that compresses them down, but that's very weird. The Nice palette didn't have that shape in the shadows, but okay. Then this is Jingle. Then there's Unwrap Me. See, all of these shadows seem to have the same pattern. Then there's Snowflake, another full shadow. Then there's Merry Mint. Okay, see, they all have the same pattern, but they also have those little spots. And then there's Saint Nick. Okay, this one doesn't really have the pattern going on. And then there's Hot Today. This one also has a pattern. Okay, so now I'm very curious to see if a regular shadow, something that's not like fake, has also those little spots. So I'm going to be taking a Profusion palette. This is the Pro Face palette. So we're going to take this shade right here. Well, this one doesn't really have a lot of spots like those shadows. Because those shadows, I noticed that it had like orange spots, different kind of spots. So now let's try this brown one. Or this black one. Okay, now see this one? Oh, this one also has the same pattern as those shadows. That's weird. There's nothing very interesting in this one. Now what I want to do is I want to break a shadow from this. And the reason I want to break this right here, it is because I really want to see, like, I feel like we can see what's on top, but I really want to see what's inside of the shadow. That's what I'm really curious about. So I'm going to break Christmas Kiss, which is this color right here in the corner. And we're just going to start digging it out. I'm going to keep digging all of this out until I hit pan. I just want to take it all out. I also want to see how much product they give you in a fake palette. Now this is completely out. I took it all out until I hit pan, and they give you pretty much a decent size. Now I broke all of this down and I have it right here. So now let's get it up close under the microscope to see what it looks like. There we go. So it looks like there's also not much going on. It definitely looks kind of like sand, very brown, which is the shadow that it had. That's the color. Oh, what is that? Okay, I know you see that. What is that? What is that? Oh my god, that looks so nasty. What is that? Hold up. It's this way, right? Right there. Oh, that looks so nasty, girl. Girl, what is that? Should we break a shadow that's like from this palette and compare it to see what it looks like from a fake palette? Let's do that. Let's compare the formula from a fake palette to a regular palette. So let's break a shadow from the Profusion palette, and we're gonna break down just a little bit of Sunny. And let's do this. So I just scraped off a little bit of Sunny. I'm gonna put it back in here. Now let's see what Sunny looks like. Oh honey, well Sunny is gorgeous. This is cute. This looks like gold. This is so cute. Ooh, Sunny, you glowing, honey. But I am noticing a huge difference up close here when I'm looking at this. And the difference is that this looks very chalky and powdery, and this looks better. I mean, it doesn't look like the best eyeshadow that I've ever seen before, but it looks so much better than this, which makes a little sense because these palettes were about $3, so they were pretty cheap to make. So this definitely feels and looks like chalk and very cheap, and this one looks like a better quality. And I'm pretty sure you guys can tell also. Like, you see how like powdery that looks? It literally looks like sand. You know that sand that you play inside of like a sandcastle thing? And then this, you know, this just looks cute. It looks better, you know? So that is that. Now we're gonna get inside some juicy stuff. And this is the part, oh, I almost forgot. We have a fake product. We have another fake product. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Oil-Free Naturally Radiant Concealer that I got at the flea market, and this one's in the shade Light. Girl, I'm excited to see what's in here because since the minute they were telling me this was like, I believe I paid like, what, 10 bucks or 18? I was like, girl, this is fake. I know it's. So I want to take a look at the wand and see what a wand looks like. Like, I'm just curious. Whoa. That looks kind of cool, but also kind of nasty, huh? That looks kind of weird. Okay, let's see. This microscope is getting dirty. Whoa, you see all that product there? Okay, let's go a little bit more towards over here. You know what? Girl, I want to give you the real scoop. Let me get my original Too Faced Born This Way concealer and compare it to this one, compare the wand, and see what the difference is. Now I have the authentic one and then I have the fake one here. Automatically, like, I noticed also the wand looked very, very different. Do you guys see all of that? Now let's compare it to the fake one. I can honestly see the difference. Under the microscope, you really can't see it much, but if I get you up close, you'll notice the difference of the wands. Now, the one towards my right is the real one, and the one towards my left is the fake one, so you can really notice the shape of the wand, that they're completely different. But under the microscope, you really can't tell as much as like if I show you up close. But honestly, I just wanted to show you guys because it just, you know, it just intrigues me how they try to trick you into thinking that it's real, but it's obviously not. Okay, enough for the concealers. Now we're gonna completely move on to old makeup that I've just been having laying around there. Now this is the concealer collection. This is a 16 Pro concealer palette. Now this palette, once you open it up, it is only good for 24 months, which is 2 years. Fun fact, if you didn't know, when your makeup expires, there is a little container here that's required by law that every makeup company has to put it. And basically what this means is for 24 months, so basically after you open your palette, once the product is open, it is only good for 24 months after you open it. Now if you completely don't open this palette for 2 years, then your palette is still good. This one is good for 2 years, which is about to probably expire. And I created this mess. I'm gonna show you guys what's inside this one, which is ginger. Oh my god, that is quite oh, there's a hair in there. Holy moly, what the oh, bleh. There's another hair, girl. Oh my god. I used to spray, okay, I want to make a disclaimer because I know you guys are going to be like, ew, you're so nasty. No, I used to spray all of these palettes with alcohol and they were completely clean, but it's just in the process of like opening and moving in, just laying there and, you know, in the dust. Obviously, oh my god, this is so gross. Every time I say disgusting or gross, take a shot for me. You're gonna hear of that a lot in this video. Oh lord. Now this is complete. This is disgusting to another level. Now what about something when I hit pan? Okay, these are so not so much dirty. Oh, this one. Honey, this looks like oh my god, what is that? Oh, this one, oh my god, I freaked out. I was like, wait, this looks like it has wrinkles. It's a thumbprint. Oh my. Now let me show you something that I know for sure is already expired, like just completely expired. And honestly, this doesn't even have the little logo that it should have, so straight off the bat, that's already a bad sign. So this is a palette that I know for sure it is already expired. These right here, these two already lifted up, like this should be flat like these, and it's already like raised up. Okay, so let me show you this yellow shadow, which is, that's just disgusting. I'm out of words. Oh, this one looks weird. Why does this one look weird? Oh yeah, this is definitely expired. Definitely expired. Do you guys saw how wet the shadow was? Why is there so many things in these cream products? That's another thumbprint of mine, I guess. And another, honestly, I don't think those are hairs. I think they're like something else that got in there. Okay, girl, I'm disgusted by this. I know this for sure is going to the trash, as well as the one that I showed you guys, which is this concealer corrector, to the trash after this video. Definitely, definitely. Now I have my pile here. I have my basket, literally, of products that I'm about to throw out because I need it, seriously need to start cleaning. Now let me show you another product. What am I finding here, girl? Oh, I know this puppy right here. This, honey, you've been expired for years now. I used to use this way back in high school. So I know this is expired for sure already. But it's cute though. It's cute. I mean, when a shadow looks like this good, you're like, I mean, honey, like, you really expired? Like, are you really? I know for a fact I'm not the only one. When I get ready, I'm like, I need to do this, I need to do this, and my palettes end up so dirty somehow, and my hands always look like this, and I'm like, did I just like take an art class or what? Like, I'm always like, yes, my face is a canvas, okay? It takes a lot of hard work to get this together, okay? You don't understand. Anyways, but yeah, I feel like when you do your makeup, you're so in a rush that powder flies into foundation, the powder flies into the cream products into the shadow ones, and it's just all over the place. When you try to get ready, it is a long process that no one will ever understand. But I feel like when you really look into expired makeup or old makeup, you'll really see it and you'll look and be like, ugh, that is really gross what's inside of the makeup. And I feel like this is the crazy part because sometimes we keep on using products that are expired because like we just think, I mean, it still looks good, so we might as well use it. But if you really think, that's probably one of the reasons why we break out or why we, you know, get like those little pimples, because we are putting bacteria into our skin and it goes into our pores. You know, makeup is like science. It's like a really crazy science that is like very interesting. So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and had fun with me. It was very interesting for me. Also, please let me know in the comments down below what high-end skincare you guys want me to purchase so I can remove one side of my makeup with, and what affordable skincare products you guys want me to use for the other half of my face. I do plan on filming that video anytime, I think either between Tuesday or Wednesday, to have it up for you guys hopefully on Thursday. So please let me know in this video either today or tomorrow what products you guys would like me to go purchase, and I will totally go, because girl, it's like shopping. So if you tell me what to go buy, I'm always gonna go buy, because I'm gonna be, yes girl. As long as I have an excuse to go shopping, I'll definitely go. So please let me know in the comments down below which skincare products you guys want me to purchase. I seriously love you guys so much, and thank you for allowing me to do these types of videos that are a little bit different but also are really fun to film. And it's just something that not a lot of people talk about, but it's something that you always wonder but you never really know how to figure it out. And I was like, girl, you know, I don't care if my makeup is a little dirty. I'm gonna let you know how it is, because I know I'm not the only one out there that has makeup that looks like this. Like, people are gonna probably be like, oh my god, you're so disgusting. Like, girl, I bet you have a palette like this at home too. Like, why are you tripping? So, you know, that's why I just like to be as honest with you guys. And if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe if you would like to be part of the family. Now I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, my loves.
Make sure you're subscribed so you can watch all of my videos, and if you want to keep on watching more and more videos, make sure to check out yesterday's video. You are not going to want to miss it. It's amazing. Also, if you want to get to know me a little bit better, make sure to subscribe to that vlogging channel right there. And if you can't get enough of me, here is my Spanish channel, so you can go ahead and subscribe. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.